Welcome to TotalBounty WordPress video tutorials. TotalBounty is a digital marketplace for buying and selling HTML templates, WordPress themes and plugins, and PSD files and graphics. Let's get started. Hey guys, WordPress 3.3 was just released, and along with it came a host of new features, many on the front end consisting of improved user experience and navigation, as well as on the back end with enhancements in development tools. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at some of WordPress 3.3's new features. So one of the first things you'll see when we first install and update WordPress to 3.3 are tooltip pop-up bubbles that now display to help guide users through the new features. One of the great things about these tooltips is that developers can tap into them and customize them. The popular plugin developer Yoast recently updated his WordPress SEO plugin to include one of these new tooltips. The admin bar has also been redesigned. There are less links and elements. The search box and appearance menu were removed. And as you can see, some of the things we use most often are now really quickly accessible through this bar. Create a new post or page, manage your media, check your comments, or go to your site. And by making it a shade darker, the admin bar is now more prominent. The user menu has been moved to the upper right-hand corner, and along with it, the previously difficult to find help menu. The help menu has been restructured with tabbed navigation, and developers can also use this to create their own customized help documents. One of my favorite new features of WordPress 3.3 are the new flyout menus. You no longer have to twirl down menus to get to sub-menus, or have 10 different menus open at once every time you log into Dashboard. Now all you have to do is hover your mouse over an item and a flyout menu will pop out. They're quick, responsive, and save you tons of clicking. The Media Manager has finally been improved. Now you can access the Media Manager while you're writing from an icon on your post page. You can now drag and drop images or PDFs right from your desktop, and the uploader no longer relies on Flash and now uses HTML5 and Silverlight, making it more broadly supported across platforms. If you have a Tumblr and you need to migrate your posts over to WordPress, there's a new import tool that helps you quickly and easily do that. Some other notable new features: WordPress 3.3 now is supported on iPad and other tablet devices. Now you can edit, create posts, and work on your blog right in your tablet. Widgets. There used to be this problem where if you were switching back and forth between themes, your widgets would mess up or you'd lose them. Now you can seamlessly go back and forth and your widgets will stay intact. Co-editing locks. Co-editing locks have been improved. Locks are now released immediately for a smoother co-editing experience. So when you see the warning that someone else is editing a post that you're working on, it means they're actually editing it. There have also been many back-end improvements made. If you were previously using the structure tag postname, it meant that you were suffering from a pretty big performance hit. WordPress has sorted this out, and now the postname tag is much more efficient. Many of the APIs have been improved, including the Editor API, the Screen API, and the Metadata API. External libraries have been updated to more recent versions: jQuery, jQuery UI, and TinyMCE. So that's it, a quick look at WordPress 3.3 and its new features. Thanks for watching. Visit the TotalBounty.com blog for more WordPress tips and tricks.